You are being lied to by the American automotive industry. If you buy a used Ford Explorer right now, you are literally buying a ticking time bomb that will financially ruin you. Dealerships are charging $20,000 for these fragile glass houses on wheels, but they are hiding a catastrophic engineering defect that mechanics pray you never find out about. The Ford Explorer utilizes the 3.5-liter Cyclone V6 engine. Ford designed this engine with an internal chain-driven water pump located deep inside the engine block. When that water pump inevitably fails, it does not just leak onto your driveway, it dumps gallons of engine coolant directly into the crankcase, mixing with the engine oil. It destroys the engine bearings, completely shreds the rotating assembly, and leaves you stranded with a massive $6,000 repair bill for a complete engine replacement. You are paying a premium to drive a guaranteed failure. Stop throwing your wealth into the furnace. If you have $6,000 in cash, you can completely bypass the carnage. I have combed through international fleet databases, verified the raw engineering schematics, and isolated 4 completely obscure, invisible road tanks that make the Ford Explorer look like a disposable toy. These SUVs hide cast iron components, heavy-duty truck frames, and million-mile engines underneath ugly, forgotten badges. Let's get to work. Number 1, the Korean tank that time forgot. The 2009 Kia Borrego. If you live outside of North America, you know this exact vehicle as the Kia Mohave. Now, before you start aggressively typing in the comments about how Kia engines catch on fire, listen to me. Modern Hyundai and Kia crossovers are plagued with the catastrophic Theta 2 4-cylinder engine. They are unmitigated disasters. But the Kia Borrego is not a modern crossover. When Kia designed this vehicle, they wanted to directly compete with the Toyota 4Runner. The Borrego is a heavy-duty, body-on-frame truck. It features a solid, fully boxed ladder frame. It is a genuine, old-school SUV. Under the hood, you will find the 3.8-liter Lambda V6 engine. This specific V6 engine uses traditional multi-port injection. It completely avoids the gasoline direct injection nightmare that causes heavy carbon buildup on modern engines. Because it uses MPI, the intake valves are constantly washed with fuel, keeping the engine running flawlessly. Why is it so cheap? Timing. Kia launched this massive SUV in the United States in 2009 at the exact peak of the global financial crisis and record high gas prices. It was a monumental sales flop, and Kia pulled it from the American market after just 1 year, leaving it completely forgotten and the prices pinned to the floor. You can buy a true body-on-frame 7-passenger SUV that tows up to 5,000 pounds for exactly $6,000. It is an unstoppable machine. Before we look at the next SUV, listen to me very closely. Buying a $6,000 road tank is a brilliant financial strategy, but right now, you are swimming in shark-infested waters. Criminal car flippers and unethical dealerships are buying flooded, mechanically totaled vehicles from the salvage auction. They clean the carpets, and they use advanced diagnostic scanners to permanently delete fatal transmission failure codes directly from the computer just hours before you arrive for a test drive. You test drive the car, it feels fine, you hand over your $6,000, and 2 days later, the transmission violently locks into neutral on the highway. You are financially ruined. Do not hand over a single dollar to any seller without performing the 60-second instrument cluster fraud test. I put the exact step-by-step diagnostic protocols and hidden button combinations to expose these scammers on page 17 of my anti-scam vehicle blueprint. A blown transmission costs $4,000. This master manual cost $47. You have absolutely no other choice if you want to protect your savings. Scan the QR code on your screen right now or click the link at the very top of the description. Buy the book immediately and arm yourself before you get robbed blind at your next meetup. Let's get back to the list. Number 2, the Swedish Fortress. The 2007 to 2014 Volvo XC90 equipped with the 3.2-liter inline-6. When the average buyer thinks of an old European luxury SUV, they break out in a cold sweat thinking about electrical gremlins and massive mechanic bills. The used car market is terrified of European cars, which is why a vehicle that originally cost $50,000 is now selling for pennies. But this specific Volvo XC90 is the ultimate European loophole. You must strictly avoid the older T6 models with the twin-turbo and GM 4-speed transmission. Those are garbage. You are searching exclusively for the XC90 featuring the naturally aspirated 3.2-liter SI6 engine. This engine was co-developed by Volvo and Ford, and it is a mechanical masterpiece. It is an inline 6-cylinder, which means it is naturally balanced and runs incredibly smooth. There are no turbochargers to blow up. There are no high-pressure superchargers to leak. It is purely, unstressed, naturally aspirated power. Furthermore, Volvo paired this engine with the Aisin TF80SC 6-speed automatic. Aisin is the exact same Japanese company that builds transmissions for Toyota. You are getting Japanese transmission reliability paired with a Swedish engine block wrapped in the safest chassis ever designed. The XC90 uses boron steel in its roof pillars, making it virtually crush-proof. It holds 7 passengers comfortably, and because the market is terrified of the Volvo badge, you can easily negotiate a pristine, garage-kept model down to $5,000 or $6,000. It will completely outclass a Ford Explorer in safety, reliability, and longevity. Number 3, the sports car disguise, the 2003 to 2008 Infiniti FX35. Everybody knows that Nissan and Infiniti completely destroyed their reputation over the last decade by putting fragile, rubber-band CVT transmissions into all of their SUVs. A modern Nissan Pathfinder or Infiniti QX60 is mathematically guaranteed to leave you stranded when the CVT belt snaps. But you must use the automotive timeline to your absolute advantage. The first generation Infiniti FX35 was built during the golden era of Japanese engineering, long before the CVT infection took over. This SUV is not built on a cheap front-wheel drive minivan platform like the Ford Explorer. The FX35 is built on the legendary Nissan FM platform. FM stands for front midship. This is the exact same rear-wheel drive bias chassis used underneath the Nissan 350Z sports car. Under the hood is the legendary 3.5-liter VQ35DE V6 engine, producing 280 horsepower. In the engineering world, the VQ engine is undisputed royalty, making Ward's 10 best engines list for 14 consecutive years. It utilizes a massive maintenance-free timing chain, molybdenum-coated pistons to reduce internal friction, and it is paired with a heavy-duty, conventional 5-speed automatic transmission. No CVT, no rubber bands, just pure hydraulic gears. Because it has an Infiniti badge, a market assumes it is an unreliable nightmare. Their ignorance is your massive discount. You can buy a reliable 280 horsepower luxury SUV that literally handles like a Japanese sports car for $6,000. And finally, number 4, the industrial military Phantom, the 2006 to 2010 Hummer H3. If you drive a Hummer today, people are going to assume you are driving a massive 12-mile-per-gallon military tank that costs a fortune to maintain. The Hummer brand was completely killed off by General Motors, and because the badge is dead and carries a stigma of being an oversized gas guzzler, nobody searches for it on the used market. But the Hummer H3 is the greatest automotive illusion of the 2000s. The H3 is not a massive military vehicle. It is a mid-size SUV. In fact, underneath the aggressive, boxy sheet metal, the Hummer H3 is built on the GMT 355 platform. This is the exact same chassis as the Chevrolet Colorado and GMC Canyon pickup trucks. When you open the hood, you will not find a massive V8 engine. You will find the 3.7-liter Atlas inline 5-cylinder engine. General Motors engineered the Atlas engine specifically for extreme commercial fleet duty. It uses a heavy-duty timing chain, lost foam cast cylinder heads and produces 242 horsepower of raw, low-end torque. Because it is secretly a Chevy Colorado, every single brake pad, suspension component, and engine sensor can be purchased at any local auto parts store globally for pennies. You get a true, full-time, four-wheel drive system with electronic locking differentials, massive ground clearance, and an engine that refuses to die. While traditional buyers overpay for an unreliable Ford Explorer, you can buy an indestructible off-road tank disguised as a Hummer for roughly $6,000.
You are being manipulated by automotive marketing. They want you to sign your life away for a brand new $60,000 crossover that will be in the junkyard in 10 years. The body-on-frame Kia Borrego, the ultra-safe Volvo XC90, the sports-tuned Infiniti FX35, and the Chevy-powered Hummer H3 are undeniable proof that heavy-duty, cast-iron engineering already exists on the used market. If you ignore the mainstream choices, bypass the popularity tax, and focus strictly on the raw engine block schematics, you can beat the system.